Okay, so I just got home from work, but I got a couple notifications while I was at work because I belong to a couple forums. Because as you all know, I work many jobs and like some side jobs. I'm talking like I do Lyft, I do a lot of things. Okay, however, even I used to do. Is it called Sprint? I don't know. It was for Walmart, but I boycotted Walmart a while ago. So, anyways, I'm still on their forum though. Anyways, they're in their forum. They were warning each other of there's ice raids going on here in Indianapolis. Now, this was like 8 hours ago that they were posting this on the west side here in Indianapolis. So they were warning each other. Now, the great thing about this is somebody's already made a card, which let me just say, a follower of mine, mutual of mine, Fever Sheen, which please go follow. It's literally Fever. I give a fever, and then SHEEN. From Australia, like private messaged me because she saw my video from earlier and gave me the same idea, which I was like, that is amazing. Like I should totally do that. Somebody already made them apparently, which I think is a fantastic idea. So they're passing these out, and I'm gonna make some, and I will make them for my patients so I can, give them out. But here, I'll give you a little glimpse of it. But okay, so here's what it looks like, and it basically tells you your rights. However, now the problem is this is in English, so I need to make it in Spanish, which is fine. I can do that. There's no big deal. So there are some ice raids going on around here. We're about 4 hours away from Chicago. So it doesn't really surprise me. And I mean, we do have a large Hispanic population here, which I do not mind at all. Anyway, so if you see this and you want to make cards too, but I would put them in Spanish, obviously, then pass them out. I'm going to do the same and laminate them because literally Fever Sheen was telling me, like, hey, it would be a great idea, which I agree. And then I saw this, and then I was like, oh, same idea. However, it's in English, and they need it in Spanish because they may not know English, and that's totally okay. Because I actually think ASL and Spanish should be required here in the United States. But again, that's me because, well, I'm inclusive. Also, I do want to make some kind of card or do something. I'm not sure what for my trans patients. Now, I will say, I will call a provider out if I am working with them and they don't say respect my trans patients or their trans patients. So I don't know if somebody could give me like, I don't want to be performative. So if somebody could give me an idea so that, and especially in my state, because like my state is like very red. Like I would even be like, hey, if somebody needs a place to stay, come stay with me. But wrong state, okay? Like I would not tell you to stay in this state, okay? Like my sister, she's non-binary, but I mean, she would have to say that, okay? Like it's not, I mean, her friends know and like family know and her work knows, things of that nature. But something to maybe show that I'm a provider that they can trust and talk to. Because I can tell you right now, there are not a lot of providers here in Indiana. And I'm talking MDs, DOs, PAs, NPs, that are allies of that community. Which breaks my heart, honestly. Because we're all taught, if you're in the medical field, you leave your beliefs at the door and you treat that person with their beliefs, no matter what. So like a Jehovah's Witness, you know, they don't receive blood. I may not like that. I want to save their life, but I have to respect that because that's their religion, right? So that is their choice. That's their body, you know. So I am an ally and I want to do something, but I don't want to be performative at all either. So if somebody has a really great idea, I don't know, just let me know in the comments. Thank you. I also would like to say, sorry, not just Spanish, because that's literally saying that all immigrants that are here that are undocumented are Hispanic, which that's not true. So we do have a large Burmese population here in Indiana. Just like I think Ohio has a big Haitian, population. So I'll try and find out. Because I think Burmese and Hispanic speaking people are the largest here that I can think of off the top of my head. So I'll probably make one that's in Burmese. Now, that's the complicated part because there's multiple dialects, but I'll figure it out.